Hi children, welcome to my English class. Today I am going to sing with you the swing. This is from 3rd class textbook. My special thanks to MPP School CHAPARA1 for facilitating the lesson. Children, listen the song and say back loudly.
The swing. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasant thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue?
Now, answer the following question. What is the poem about? The poem is about a swing. What is the color of the garden? The color of the garden is green. Do you like swinging? Yes, I like swinging very much. Name the colors mentioned in the poem. Blue, green, brown. Say the following words loudly. Swing, sting. Blue, do. What? Are. White, side. Green, again. Brown, down. Now do the activity 11 from your textbook, page number 26. Thank you children.